What's up, YouTube? I'm doing a review on a 2014 Audi A6 today. This is a 2014 3.0T with sports package, 333 horsepower. It's got a 8-speed shiftable automatic transmission, 18 city, 27 highway rated, premium gas only. The fuel tank is 19.8 gallons, has 19-inch wheels. Curb weight is about 4,100 pounds, but doesn't feel that heavy. Feels very sporty. It's a 3.0T, but it's supercharged, not turbo. This car is stock, except for the tinted windows, and it's been lowered, has coilovers. Nice thing about it is the daytime running lights, very sharp. The interior of this, one of my favorite features is the LED. Instrument cluster.